Hello friends, today we will be preparing firni, which is a sweet dish and very tasty. So we will see what are the ingredients needed to make firni. To make firni, first we will boil 1 liter full cream milk switched on the gas, and we will first boil up this entire milk. I have taken half cup broken basmati rice. You can even take basmati rice. I've taken broken. We will wash it properly and pat it to dry, absolutely dry. So let us wash the basmati rice. So I've cleaned it and let it get dried up, and then we will grind it into a paste. I have grinded it into paste after the rice was dried. It should be coarse, not very fine, neither it should be hard. And then pour it into a bowl, and we will mix 1 cup milk and make it into a paste. Into the rice, now I am pouring a little cold milk, not very hot, else it will form lumps, and then make it into a fine paste. See, it has been into a paste. Now we will mix this rice into the milk which we have kept for boiling. So now milk is boiled up, and now we will pour this mixture of rice which we have made. If you put it directly into the milk, it may form lumps. Be very careful on that. And then stir it along with the milk very nicely. Keep on stirring until the rice is nicely cooked. It should be finely mixed with the milk. So at least for 15 to 20 minutes we will keep on medium flame and cook this rice along with the milk very nicely. While the firni is being cooked, we will dry roast 2 to 3 small elaichi. These cardamoms have to be dry roasted until the color changes, and then we will grind it into a paste. It gives a good fragrance in your firni. And also we will put some kesar separately. So let us put few strands of saffron. As we all know, it is very good for health also, saffron, and gives a very nice color to the firni. We will keep it aside with a little bit of milk. Stir it and keep it aside. We will pour it later once the firni is almost done. So the cardamom is roasted. We will make them into a fine paste and pour it inside the firni. As you can see, the milk has boiled with the rice very nicely. Rice is almost cooked. At this time, we will be adding that cardamom powder as well as the. So I have made it into a paste. Mix it nicely with this firni. And we will also put that saffron milk which we had kept aside, and let this firni be cooked for 5 minutes more. After that, we will add the sugar. Very nice color has come to the saffron. Let us pour this into the firni, and I can see the fragrance. It's very good. So with 1 liter milk, we will be taking half cup of sugar. So I've taken half cup sugar. The firni is not a very sweet dish. If you like more of sweetness, then you can add on a little more sugar. So now when the rice is nicely mixed with the milk and cooked properly, we will add on the sugar and mix it again for at least 10 minutes more, so that it thickens very nicely. So now our firni is ready. We will pour it into, you can either pour it into glass bowls or any type, or if you have this type of mud containers which you easily get in the market, you can pour them into these type of containers and refrigerate it for 2 hours before having. In this way, we will be pouring into all the containers. So we have poured all the firni and now we will refrigerate them for 2 hours, and after that we can have the firni. Hope you like my video. If you enjoy the video, please share and press the like button. To subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get new videos. Thank you.